How to make a circular photo in Canva. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. The first thing you want to do is select the thing that you want to create on Canva. So let's say for example you're creating an Instagram post. You could select Instagram. Then from there you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select uploads. And you're going to tap on upload files and you're going to upload your photo. More than likely your photo is either going to be a square or it is going to be rectangular like this photo. Now to convert it to a circular photo, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and select elements. Then you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in circular frame, as you can see right there. Then you have a few options. Right here where you see frames, you could tap on see all. You could select a regular circular frame like this one, or if it is a case that you would like to also add a border color, you can do that. So for example, you can select this one and you'll be able to add a color to the circle also, or you could select any one of these options and you'll be able to add a color. So we're going to go over to the left hand menu option and select uploads. Then all you need to do is drag and place your photo in the circle. Once you have done that, you can adjust the size of the circle, as you can see right there. And if I were to add the same photo into this option, then I would like to change the color of the border. I can do that by simply selecting the circle, then tap on the color from the top right hand corner of the navigation bar. And from there, you can choose the color that you would like to change it to. So you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.